Hello students, today lecture I discuss how to compute taxable salary of an employee. For example, Mr. Govind is employed in Khadi Gramodyog in Kanpur on a monthly salary of 12,000 rupees. Beside, he getting a bonus equal to 2 month salary, entertainment allowance 5,000 rupees per annum. He has been provided with the following benefits. First, car of 1800 cc for personal and official use. The entire expenses of car are made by employer. He has been given a personal loan 50,000 rupees at 5% interest on 1st January 2019. The employer spent 10,000 on the education of his son who went abroad. The employee paid 4,000 rupees as professional tax for the previous year and for the financial year 2017-18. Compute Mr. Govind taxable salary for the assessment year 2019 and 20. Solution for this listation. Taxable salary of Sri Govind for the assessment year 2019-20. Basic salary 12,000 rupees per month. For this, ₹1,44,000 rupees basic salary. Bonus paid equal to 2 month salary. It means 12,000 multiplied by 2, 24,000. Entertainment allowance received 5,000 rupees per annum. तो डायरेक्टली 5,000 रुपीज़ रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. मिस्टर Govind is a specific employee, so perquisite is taxable. Car of 1800 cc, so it is big car. Big car के लिए 2,400 रुपीज़ पर मंथ टैक्सेबल होता है. सो 2,400 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 12, 28,800 rupees. Concessional loan given 50,000. So concessional laws नॉर्मल जो रेट होती है वो है 11.8% और इनको जो कंसेशन रेट पर लोन दिया गया 5%. इट मीन्स 6.8% पर एनम इनको बेनिफिट हो रहा है. सो एक्सिस interest 850 rupees. Education expenses being payment of obligation 10,000 rupees. टोटल किया जाएगा. ग्रॉस सैलरी 2,12,650 rupees. Now deduct standard deduction. 40,000 rupees or amount of salary whichever is less 40,000. Professional tax paid by employer for 2 years 4,000 rupees. SSC is an private employee, he is not government employee, so entertainment deduction not allowed. ग्रॉस सैलरी में से डिडक्ट कर देंगे स्टैंडर्ड और प्रोफेशनल टैक्स. तो लास्ट में आएगा हमारा टैक्सेबल सैलरी 1,68,650 रुपीज़. यही हमारा आंसर होगा. थैंक यू.